This video will go over a few of the problems from the last quiz, quiz 4, which was over sections 10.1, 10.2, and 10.3. So I'm going to do one from each of the 3 problems, and I'm going to concentrate on the I, because a lot of people were having trouble with the imaginary number I. So this is 1C, and the first thing I want to do is divide both sides by 5. So those cancel. And we're going to use the square root method, right? So whenever we see something squared, we're going to use the square root method. Okay, so a lot of students said that this couldn't be done because of the negative, but remember, we can bring I in and then we can do it. So I am going to use the square root method, and I am going to take the square root of both sides. Now, originally we couldn't do this, but now that we have I, we can. So when I take the square root of this side, I get, this just comes out. Now, if I put an I in front, we can do this square root and it becomes I root 5. But when we're taking a square root, we know that one answer could be positive and one answer could be negative. So we need to put a plus minus there. So let's finish it off. And just a regular solve. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. These go out. And then I'm just going to divide everything by 5. Better? So here are my 2 answers. I have a positive So that's this positive, plus a positive I, root 5 plus 4, divided by 5. And then I also have a negative I, so these are my 2 answers. Remember, the big thing is when you take the square root of both sides, you're going to have a positive and a negative. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to go on to